Most companies today know they need AI, but they don't know where to start. So, we built something simple, a tool that takes real business workflows and turn them into a clear AI strategy in a minute. Let me show you how. Take a typical company like this one, an HR SaaS business, no ML team concerned around data security, and no clarity on what to automate or what actually gives ROI. This is where most teams get stuck. So, step 1, we analyze a real workflow. Here, the finance team is manually processing invoices, reading PDFs, entering data about 200 times a month. When we run the analysis, the system scores it instantly. High AI potential, high ROI, low efforts. And it doesn't stop there. It even suggests a starting point, like running an LLM based extraction pilot. So instead of guesswork, you get ranked actionable insights. Step 2, we turn that into a roadmap. Not just idea, but a phase execution plan. Phase 1, quick wins, delivered in weeks with clear ROI. Phase 2, core system, like internal AI assistant. Phase 3, advanced capabilities, custom AI solution, tolerate to the business. Each step includes effort, cost, ROI, and technical approach. And finally, the system becomes interactive. You can ask real business questions like, how do you protect our IP while using AI? And the system responds with context because it remembers everything, your workflow, your roadmap, your priorities. So you are not starting over every time. What used to take weeks of consulting now happens in minutes. Clear priorities, defined roadmap, actionable next steps. This is how business move from thinking about AI to actual implementing it.